Hey guys, it's your boy Brandon, and today I'm going to do unboxing of the headphones and charger for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. Let's get started. So which one do you want me to open? Comment down below. I think I'm going to open this one, okay? Let's go. You guys, it's kind of hard, actually. But I got the hang of it. As you guys can see, it's really hard, but okay, I opened it. Whatever this is. Okay, you guys. Whoops. Okay, you guys, look it. So that's a lot, right, you guys? Okay. You guys, I'm surprised. This is really long. Okay, guys. On to the headphones, which is my favorite. I'm so excited, so I don't want it. Ma, come over here. Okay, guys, this is really hard, but okay, you guys. So that part's. So guys, oh yeah, I forgot. Guys, get this video to 10,000 likes. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And guys, comment down below if you want me to unbox, reactions, all those stuff. I said it on. I've never said that before, but I'm going to say this is the final time, okay, you guys? So, comment down below if you want me to do gaming, reactions, unboxing, going to different places. So, guys, I officially opened the headphones, and as you can see, they look wireless, but comes with these. So there's two types. There's, if you guys want to know, it's right. See, you guys, the mic one and the call, the pause and unpause one. Okay, you guys, let's get on to opening this one. Oh, I accidentally ripped it. Sorry. Okay, you guys. So I got two pairs. That's nice. So this one is the microphone and microphone and you guys, I can't find the other one. So this is the wow. I'm confused. Okay, you guys, so let's see how it sounds. I think. Okay, guys, so let me plug it in. Wow, it's really tight, you know? But no, I don't have a small head. And I think I said it in part 1 of Kid Playing Fortnite. 9 years old. This is 9, right? Yeah. So. Okay. So you guys, if you haven't, go watch if you haven't watched Kid Playing Fortnite part 1 or part 2, watch both of them after this video, okay you guys? So, see you in the next video. Bye.